I'm Ron from Coleno, the NetSuite Suite app designed to help you chase, collect, and reconcile your invoices generated by SuiteBilling. In this tutorial, we're discussing how to create usage records for subscription line items in NetSuite. You need to know that usage refers to charges for items that can be consumed, like internet data or software licenses. And it's typically billed in arrears, meaning after the item has been used. The usage charges apply once the included amount in the subscription is exceeded. You can also multiply the usage if the subscription involves, for example, multiple users in a software license. So here, for example, the customer, I will look for above the cloud. And you can see that I have only one subscription available, and then it automatically grays out the others when the subscription is selected. I can choose a subscription line, a quantity, and a usage date. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit the save button after you filled in all the details of your usage. Bye bye!